know why I'm asking? Because I'm too old also.
I am 64.
Oh, I'm older than you.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
I don't believe.
I'm born 1958, November.
Okay, so 66. I'm sorry.
Well, November. So I'll be 66 November.
November what?
Well, 28.
November 30.
Oh.
Sagittarius.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, Sagittarius. Yes.
Very nice.
Nice to meet you.
Do you live here?
No, we were at the in the one part of what do you call this?
Victoria Park?
No. Fireman.
Fireman's Park?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's event over there.
Okay.
It's called Fiesta Extravaganza
Okay.
by Filipino and
Nice.
the Filipino. It's just like Taste of Philippines.
Filipino culture, Filipino
Yeah. Well,
celebration.
yeah,
Yes.
and it's just like a caravan that they bring in there and
Beautiful.
they start their thing and they play the music, everything.
Beautiful. You had a wonderful day then?
Well, we came too late because we came all the way from Pickering.
Okay. I moved here from Toronto about 23 years ago.
20 years ago.
Yes.
Well, that was not as bad as Toronto or any city.
Oh, no. It's changed a lot over 20 years. It's grown very, very much in the last 5 years,
Yeah.
but it's still a wonderful place.
Yeah, I mean, the best one is still
You know what?
quiet. There's no...
We have the best weather in Canada. We really do. The
Here?
best- Yes. Yes, I am not kidding you. The
Well,
best winter time, the best. It's beautiful.
I thought it's colder because
No,
you're close,
no,
close
no.
to the
No, we
to
are,
the fall.
I don't know how it works with the escarpment or whatever, but we have the best weather in Canada.
And
we grow peaches here.
I thought it's like this is the belt of snow.
You know what? Fort Erie,
Fort Area.
just to the west of us,
Yeah.
they get killed. Buffalo, just across the
Uh-huh.
river, they get killed.
Uh-huh.
St. Catharines,
Uh-huh.
Toronto, north of
So
north of
you-
the lake, we are in a pocket. I'm telling you, buddy.
But it's very expensive to live, huh?
Not as bad as Toronto.
Oh yeah?
Well, nothing is as expensive as Toronto, I suppose.
And
but-
there's not much place to live in.
well, it's not that. The only employment here is seasonal.
So snow.
It's hotels, restaurants, and come October, nobody has a job.
But the thing is,
But me, I'm an old man now. I do whatever the hell I have to do to work all year. So I do this, it keeps me employed all year.
I don't see people that get $1, get
Yeah,
a change,
yeah.
pay change.
Oh,
Do you
they're
have it here?
Oh, absolutely.
I don't. I walked maybe
Usually they're
2 kilometers already, and I don't see them.
I'm very surprised, actually.
Huh?
I'm very surprised because yes, they're absolutely here.
'Cause I don't see them. I don't see them like people like living and thing and like cartoons.
They are here.
Huh? They
They
do.
are here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't see them. They hide. They're
Well, how far are you going?
Huh?
How far are you going?
No, I'm not going deep.
Okay, because they are not far.
Oh, they're not far.
Usually, I'm telling you. Usually, see where this man is now?
Uh-huh.
Usually, they are sleeping there.
Oh.
Or right in back of this building,
Uh-huh.
they have a little encampment.
Oh,
But
okay.
they are.
They're everywhere. Cause
It breaks my heart, to be honest with
Me
you.
too.
It breaks my heart.
I went to Hamilton.
Okay.
What's it called park? It's a park there.
Yeah.
Forgot the name of the park already. It's okay, but I'm old.
Yeah, I understand.
I was just there last year.
Okay.
No, this summer. Gage
Gates
Park.
Park. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Around it.
Everywhere, eh?
Around. It's a Gage Park. Everything.
That should not happen in this country.
No, it's too,
That
it's
should
too rich.
not
We have too
happen.
much land.
That's exactly it. We have,
Too much
but you know
land.
what? Honestly, white people are fucking lazy. They don't want to work for minimum wage. They want the government to help. You know, just fucking live off the government.
Still.
Come on.
Still.
It's terrible. It breaks my heart. Anyway, my friend.
All right, it's very nice to
Albert.
meet you, Sir Albert, and
Well,
it's a
not
pleasure.
sir, but thank you.
So,
You as well.
we are in front of the Starbucks, okay?
Starbucks, yes.
Yeah. Sir Albert is a very nice person. I can tell by already. All right, thank you, sir.
You have a wonderful
My name
day.
is Carlito also.
Carlito,
Yeah.
November 28th.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. And I couldn't sleep and I needed the content. And
Okay.
then I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
It's called CDG MTV.
CDG MTV.
Yeah.
Okay.
And maybe you'll see this video maybe in a day. If you
CDG MTV.
yes, sir.
All right, Carlito.
And you, Mr. Albert also, right? So shout out to Mr. Albert in Niagara Falls.
Have a wonderful day, people.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.
This is okay. We at the. Okay, you remember that thing that I told you that during the circle? There's so many of them. Actually, it's a sign. It's like Christmas light for the street. And if you can see, up there, see, that's the courtyard. That's the hotel that we're going to. There's another daisy in there. No, I'm confused with suit. Well, I remember vlogging Days Inn in front of Days Inn and Fairfield. ano kaya kung nangyari kung may Alzheimer na tayo at hindi na natin malaman ang pabalik. Adventurous pa naman tayo. Kaya sasabi mo, saan ako galing? Dito ba? O doon? Hindi mo alam kung, hindi mo na maalam pati yung mga nabasa mo eh. And it happened to that to my sister, Manang Beth. She had Alzheimer. So it's nice to meet Mr. Albert. Around this time, may nananalo na at happy. Pero around this time, may mga bumabawi. Bumabawi pa lang. Bumabawi. At gustong bumawi. At yung mga talagang talunan na around this time. So ito Mag-walk alley. There's a bar in there.